Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to find the volume of a cylinder. And remember, the volume is the amount of space a three-dimensional object takes up. So let's get into our example here. We have a cylinder with a given height of 8 inches and our base has a given radius of 3 inches. So that's the information we need in order to calculate the volume of a cylinder. Now we have two formulas at the top of the screen here. They look different, but they mean the exact same thing. So if the top one says volume equals capital B times capital H, that capital B means the area of the base times H, which is height. Now the formula below that says volume equals pi r squared H. So pi times radius squared times height. Now pi and squared, that's the formula for the area of a circle. So in that case of the cylinder, our base is a circle. So the area of the base, that B, expanded out to the formula we're going to use. They just look a little different, but they are exactly the same thing. But we are just going to use this one. So let's start. So we have our two formulas here, but we are going to use this formula, this one. So now let's just plug in our given numbers. So we have pi, let's make a little pi here, and our radius, which is 3 squared times our height. So times, or let's use a dot as times, height. Oh, I mean 8, my bad, 8. So we put these in parentheses so we can see what we have to do exactly. When we put it into parentheses, we can also take the times signs away. So now we have this as our formula. Now we have to know what 3 squared is. 3 squared basically means just 3 times 3. The 2 above the 3 means we have to multiply the 3 by itself 2 times. So 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So we are left with pi times 9 times 8. This will give us the formula of 72 because 9 times 8 equals 72. Now we have 72 pi. Now we are almost done finding the volume of a cylinder because this isn't our final answer. We need to know 72 times pi. So I'm just going to plug it in into the calculator, but it gives me very long list of decimals. So our final answer will be rounded up 226.19 cubic inches. Because this is 3D form or cylinder, we will get a cubic answer. So this basically was the video, guys. If you guys liked it, you can leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a question in the comments if you guys would like, and I will see you guys in the next video. This was Mr. Mathz.